What's going on, guys? Once again, this is Jimdel-Edu. Welcome back for another tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to start with part one. This is admin panel. Remember the last video I showed you a brief uh, way how to. This is what we're working on with, and this is admin panel. In the introduction, I've showed you all some of the features that we are going to do. And the admin panel, this is really cool, okay? And we have home and everything. Uh, Now it's time to start with this series. This is a admin panel, admin dashboard, and working. This is a step-by-step tutorial. That's why we are going to start from scratch. Okay, and open your code editor. Also, what I'm going to show you 1 second. Open your code editor. Create your main folder. You can call it whatever you want. I call my admin panel tutorial. Okay, you can call also here. You can see I already have 5 folders and 1 file. Okay, 5 folders and 1 file, and you will get access to them. That's why I already created like this, so that you can so that we can make this series much more easier for you. Okay, let me show you. And also I will provide the link. Okay, I will provide the link in the description, and you have to go there and download each one of them. But what we have to do, let me show you one more thing. And here, okay, that's why for all our links that we will use in this series, okay, and as you can see, started from, I will put the link in the description. You have to go, and once you extract it, you have to copy and paste everything here inside of the head. Okay, I will show you, and you only have to go and highlight everything and right click, copy, and I will show you how to do it. Okay, and we have a second one here, and copy and paste everything before the closing body. Okay, we have a closing body and closing HTML. You have to do the same thing, highlight, right click, and do the same thing. Okay, and now let's get started. Open your code editor, create your main folder. And now at this time I'm going to go ahead. Let me show you where to go ahead, right click. Okay, right click on your main folder, create a new file, go to file and save as. I'm going to save mine as index.html and click on save. Okay, now is my index.html. okay, and now now we have the index.html. Next thing, I'm going to put it a title. I'm going to say admin panel. Keep it simple. Okay, admin panel. Now next we need a link. Put a link like this. Click on tab. And now right after that, what I'm going to put on this one, this is where I'm going to pass I'm going to say image. My folder called image is my folder here, and I call my folder image, and I'm going to identify my website or my page on the web, and this is where I put my logo called favicon here, that png. Okay, I have it inside of my img folder image. Okay, now next, let me put this like this so that you can see. Let me separate. I'm going to separate everything so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, also here, and instead of style sheet, I'm going to add something, put shortcut icon, Also, I'm going to pass a type of image X icon like this. Okay, next let's go inside. Okay, we need a lot of links. That's what yeah. Okay, next we need a lot of links. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what you have to do next. I want you to follow me. Okay, next I want you remember before, I'm going to put all the links in the description. Okay, next I'm not going to just code them. Okay, and I'm going to keep this series as short as possible. Okay, and go here, go to this website, which is my website, and go to this website. Okay, is the name jdima.com right here. Okay, if you go to jdima, go to jdima.com, and you will find, okay, jdima, as you can see, jdima.com, and you will see here we have the videos. Okay, this is the same thing we have here. Okay, and go here, click on it. You can find it here anywhere. If you click here anywhere, and or you can go the navigation bar and go to search for, this is a blog code. Okay, this is the blog code. Go here and you can click here as well, is the title, and scroll down, and this is where I put all of my folder and files. Okay, and let me show you the first thing. We have CSS file, a folder, font folder, and Jimdel folder, JS folder. Also, we have link list folder and script list folder. Also, we have style.css file, and these two, link list folder and script list folder, is I will show you how to get access to them. Okay, let's go back to our code, and now go ahead and when you download the first one is a link list. Go ahead, click on it. Okay, when you click on it, you have access to it right here. This is where I got mine. Okay, go here, follow me. This is where I got mine. I already got it. And when you extract it, once you extract the folder, you will see a Word document. Open it, and this is where you will see this page right here. Okay, once you see this page, what you have to do, you have to go ahead and highlight everything. Right click on copy. Okay, bring this down. Okay, let me show you 1 second. Once you click on copy, right click copy. That's why I put a copy and paste everything inside of the head. Okay, section. Go ahead, open. Okay, let's go back, and this is where I'm going to paste mine. Let me bring this up, go down. Okay, this is where I'm going to paste them. Okay, and inside of the head section, this is head section. Okay, and this is where I started here. This is what I put link list area. Okay, started from here until here, and then this is the closing for head section. Let me bring this up. Okay, now let me remove this. This is the body. Okay, now this is when you go here. Okay, remember, you go to this website. Go to this website, jdima.com, and go navigate to blog code, and you click here and scroll down. This is where you see all the files. Okay, go to download link list. Once you download it, extract link list. Once you do that and go ahead, open it, you will see a document, a file. Open it and copy everything, right click and go ahead and paste it inside of the head section. Okay, now let's continue. Now let's go inside of our body. Let's bring this down. Okay, and let's start coding. Okay, now we are inside of the body. The first thing we need is to create, let me comment this. This is what I'm going to create. I'm going to create our sidebar. Okay, let's create our sidebar. And we need a div. Keep this like this. Now for the navigation, we say nav. Okay, and okay, now let's pass inside of the div. Now this is for the left sidebar, by the way. Okay. Okay, that's ID sidebar. Okay, now go we need anchor tag where I'm going to pass our we need our logo. I'm going to say img for image, and our source is the main logo. Okay, this is a class. This is image. We have our source, and yeah, our source called a folder called image. This is our folder here, and this is the name of the logo. And you can put anything you want. I'm going to call it, yes, logo.png, like this. Okay, so alt. Okay, and we need I'm going to create a class. Let's create a class here and move this a bit. Create a class. Okay, call it main logo, like this. Okay, next line, I'm going to create a string where I'm going to pass img image right here. These are my source folder and call logo.png. You can pass anything you want. Okay, this is bring this up. This block of code is done. Okay, and go next. After that, this is now, let's create our I'm going to comment, create our, this is for the my profile. Let's skip one line. Okay, okay, now we need a div again. Oh no, let delete this one. Let's say cut. Okay, and instead we need anchor tag right here, and let's pass our image for the admin. Let me show you. Let's pass our admin image right here. Okay, let's go back. I'm going to pass I say img for the admin and my source img, the folder called image, and and say I'm going to say logo.png like this. But for the admin. Okay. All right then. Next, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to after the anchor tag pass my admin image, I put h2 okay, for the header too, and call my, this is our admin name, and pass a span next space tab. Okay, and we need a class. Okay, and this is how I edu Jimdel-Edu. Go ahead, and if we go ahead and save everything, and let's run our program. This is where we save the file. Go ahead and double click, we run it. Okay, as you can see, here's the name. And because we have this, let me show you. We already got the sidebar. Is because we get the, let me show you 1 second. We already add everything, all the links that I already import all my folder with containing all of my CSS, all my font, and bootstrap everything. Okay, this is why I showed you where to find them through this website. Go here, okay, jdma.com, and then scroll down, click here, navigate to blog code, click here, and scroll down, and then okay. Now let's continue, and next thing, okay, and bring this up. This is this one block of code. Okay, and go after this div. This is comment here. This for the this one is for the social. Okay, this is a profile. Put it like this way. This is a profile social. Okay, let me bring this like this. Okay, next we need a div. Okay, and use a class, call it a profile. Okay, okay, call this class like this. Now we need okay, like this. And I also let's pass our for the social icon. The first one, put we need like this, and we need a class here, and let's call it icon space j put Facebook. Also, what we can do next, just show you step by step. We need 3 copy and paste, and replace it by now here we need Twitter. Next we need LinkedIn. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, now we need for the let's bring this, the closing URL, bring this up 111 URL div. Okay, So we need 3, 1, 2, 3, and bring this nav down. Okay, let's keep these 3 close. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then after that, let's go ahead and continue. Okay, now at this time, if you go ahead and save everything and go back, okay, we here refresh the page. Okay, now what we are going to do, this is where I'm going to comment scholar. This is for the scroll bar. Let's create our scroll bar like this. Create our scroll bar. That's why I put everything for you. Now we need a div. Okay, that our scroll bar should be goes to the left. Okay, space. This is for yeah, commenter scroll bar. Also now we need a nav to a nav to keep everything. Now create a class. Okay, this is a left sidebar menu. Okay, and now another we need to create another list. Okay, the class also for that. Okay, and after that I'm going to pass a ID inside of it, and I'm going to call it menu 1. Go inside of the another list and create our first list. Okay, and create for the first one we need a class. I'm going to call it act for the active. Now next what I'm going to do is to create an anchor tag. Okay, after the list, go inside here, and create an anchor tag like this. Okay, and also we need a class. After that I'm going to put a class inside of it and call it, this class should get for the arrow. Okay, now remember we create the scroll bar. This is what I'm doing right now. Okay, that for the home, that's why I say class. Okay, every time we see I for this, you use I for icon, so that's why I say icon. My home and icon. Okay, this is where I have to wrap everything here. Okay, and okay, like this, and this is where I put home. Okay, now what I want you to do, I want you to copy cut the closing anchor tag, cut this one, cut it, and go to the next line and paste it here. Okay, now opening and closing. Okay, alright, now go ahead, save everything, and let's go back and refresh the page. As you can see, we have home button here. Okay, let's continue. Next, after that, I want you to go next here, and I'm going to comment this. At this, I'm going to create the part of the dash. This is a dashboard here. Okay. Go to the next line, and we need. I'm going to create another list. Okay. The class. I'm going for the sub menu. Okay. And again, go next after that. I'm going to say for the for the dashboard expanded. I want to expand it that's why I say expand it to like this. Okay. And we need the list. Okay, and anchor tag. All right, and now this is where I have to connect it with our index. When you click on the dashboard, it should direct you to the same page. So you're gonna say index.html. Also, we need a title for that, and I'm going to call it dashboard. Okay, call it dashboard. Dashboard is dashboard, and oops. Okay, yeah, dashboard. Also, I need a span next after the first one here after the anchor tag. Go ahead and click on tab. Okay, we have it. We need a class. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move this, okay, here, and make it smaller a little bit. Inside of this class, what I'm going to do, I'm going to say class mini sub for, okay, and name it here. Call it dashboard. Okay. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the next line. Okay, going to the next line, and we need a list anchor tag like this. Okay, and now the next page we need product list. Okay, that's why I'm going to href put a product list like this .html. Okay, and we need a title, pass a title here, and call it product list like this, just product list, and then we have href okay, product list .html, and we need, I'm going to pass a span right here. I'm going to pass a span right here and call it, and we need a class, pass a class inside of the first one, call it mini, okay, sub pro like this. Okay, and this is where we have to pass out the put product list space list like this. Okay. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do next, do the same thing after product list. We need product edit. Go ahead and save everything. Let me show you. Refresh the page. Now we have everything here. So we need, when you expand here, we call home. We have dashboard, product list, product edit, product detail, product cart, and so on. Okay, this is what we're doing right now. Next, and go ahead here, and what we are going to do, we can just copy here and paste it. Okay, and we can what we are going to do, just do remove product. We should put capital P, product list, and here we need a product detail, product list, and we need a product edit. Put product edit first, like this, and remove. And for product edit, we need to remove everything here. Put product edit, okay, .html, and this is why we have to put here product edit, okay, like this. Also go ahead here and paste one more, and now let's say we have a product detail, and here let's put detail here, and let's put here product detail, okay, and go to the next line, paste it again, do the same thing now for product card. Okay. Product card. And next, do the same thing. Paste it here. Let's do now a last one. This is for product payment. Okay, and product payment, we have here payment.html, and here we have to put product, remove list, put payment. Okay, with the list, okay, now we have two closing URL on the list. As you can see, this is opening, is the closing, and after the closing, the first closing URL, and then li, keep this tree. Let me show you. Keep this pretty close. Oops. Okay. Now, okay, as you can see, and let's bring this to up. Okay, one more. Okay, now we can, as you can see, this is a one block of code. Okay, because this is li here active. Okay, this is one block of code. Now if you go ahead and save everything, go back to our browser, refresh it. Okay, as you can see. Okay, now let's continue. You see here we're done with this part, and let's continue, add it for mailbox and so on. Go back to our code and go ahead, go to the next line. I have to comment this. This one is this is for the mailbox. Okay, let's start with a list. Okay, this is for the mailbox. Okay, we start with a list, and let's add we need the anchor tag, because let's continue. I'm going to add anchor tag. Now for the anchor tag, I'm going to say call it a mailbox.html, and we need a class as well, also has a like this. For the expanded, it should be false. The first one was true, And now the second one, we put first and put an I here. Click on tab. This is a my mail icon wrap everything. Okay. Okay, next what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass a span right here. Click on tab, and first one here, let me make this okay. Inside of the first one, I'm going to create a class. I'm going to call it, okay, call it mini click. At this time, I say this guy here, and past, call it mailbox. Okay, next, go to the next line, and what we need right now, we need another list. We need another list, and we should pass a class here. I'm going to call it sub menu. Okay, and go. Okay, area expanded equal, at this time equal false. Okay, go to the next line, and let's create a list with a tagline. Okay, and call, now let's pass mail dot html. Okay, mailbox dot html, like this. Okay, pass a mailbox dot html. Also, we need the we need the title. Okay, let's call it inbox, like this. Call it inbox. Okay, and next I'm going to pass a span here. Let me make this, let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay, I don't want you to miss this part. I think you're done. Okay, now we need the span. Now what I'm passing right now, I'm passing a class here that I'm going to call it this guy, and this is where I'm passing out. This is where I say inbox here. Okay, pretty much the same thing. You can copy this and paste it here. Or something. Let me cut this. Copy, paste it. Okay, and let's make some changes for our href. Now we have a mailbox view, like this, .html, and for the title we need a view mail. Remove this, put with a capital V. Okay, and for the, we have a title here, I guess, title view mail, yes, and yes, here inside of the, we have a mini, put a mini sub pro. Yeah, this is a fine. Also, let's put view mail here. Okay, okay, bring this up, URLi. Okay, and as you can see, one block of code. Now go next line, and let's create at this time the, if you go and save everything, go back to our browser, refresh the page, as you can see, and let's go and create, let's go and create our interface. Okay, for this is for our interface, let's go and create it. For our interface, we need let's start with li, okay, a list, okay, like this, and anchor tag, and put I'm going to say the mail, like this, put mailbox HTML. Also we need class, and let's call this class, I'm going to call this class same thing as arrow, okay. What we can do to keep it simple, guys, we can do one thing, can copy and paste, and okay, or just to show you this is a step by step, I don't want to do that. Okay, this has a arrow, and let's continue. Also it should be false. We need an I, click on tab. This is, I'm going to call it icon, my diamond icon, well, like this, okay. And we need the, okay, this is for I, and after that we need span, create a span right here, click on tab, and let me make this smaller, okay. And now let's pass here a class, call it mini click, okay. And then now let's pass here our interface, okay. Also what I want you to do, go to the next line. After closing A, go to the next line, and we need another list, like so, and we need a class, okay. Let's call it submenu and go. Expanded equal false, okay. And go ahead, go inside next line, we need li anchor tag, and call this one PDF, like this, okay. PDF viewer dot html, that's for the PDF, okay. Also we need the title, I'm going to call it, okay, PDF viewer, like this, okay, for the title. Also create a span here, class, call it mini, okay, and put PDF viewer, like here. What we can do, I'm going to copy this line, copy and paste it to the next line, and make some changes. Let's call this one X editable, like this, okay. Or put a small x, like this, small x editable, small e, okay, x editable.html. Also for the title, let's put capital X and editable, like this. Also for we need a span class, this is fine. Let's remove mini, span mini, this is fine, sub pro, and let's put X, okay, editable, like this. And do the same thing, go here, paste it again, let's make some changes. Now this time I'm going to put href, put code, okay, editor.html and remove the title, code editor, like this. And also we have to remove the announcement, okay, and remove the name, put, okay. Go to the next line, do the same thing, paste it again, and remove this one. And at this time, this is a preloader .html. No, not .html. Yes, preloader.html, but small p. That is okay. Preloader.html, and for the title, put capital P. Preloader. Okay. So we replace the name right here. Put okay. Last line for this block of code. We need not PD. Okay, remove this one, and let's put image. Okay, images like this. Yes. Corper.html, and change the title as well. Okay, and change the name here and put images corper. Okay, also if you click here, is the opening, is the closing. This is a one block of code. Go ahead, and I'm going to comment put it again. This at this time, this let's create our miscellaneous. Okay, go here, go ahead and save everything. Let's go back, refresh. Okay, we have everything here, and let's go back. Okay, now we need li, pretty much the same thing. Okay, and to keep everything simple, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this block of code. Okay, copy, and paste it here. Copy and paste it here. Okay, let's fix this part, and click on Shift Tab. Okay, I can move it. Okay, now, okay, and this is one block of code. Let's make some changes. Remove this one. Okay, href. Let's call the first one mailbox again. Mailbox, one word. Let me double check. Mailbox should get, this is for the mailbox, guys, this is one word, not two words. Okay, remove the hyphen or the dash. Yeah, this is fine. Mailbox, one word, mailbox. Okay, this is fine. Also for the class is okay. Yeah, expanded, this is false. This is fine. Okay, here for this class here. Okay, let's fix that. Remove everything. I'm going to put something else. Put icon. Okay, put something nice. Icon, my pie chart. Put it like this. And icon. Okay, wrap like this. And also in a span class. The class is okay, and let's change this name. Put okay, and this line is okay, and we need we create another list. This is fine, and then class submenu angle. This is fine, false. Let's make some changes here. Remove. Let's put for the this is put a file manager like this. Okay, file manager.html, and remove this for the title. Put file manager. Okay, and class, the class is okay, and let's put file manager. Also second line, href remove, let's put this is blog.html, and for the title, title blog, and for the class is okay, and remove the name here, put blog. Okay, and the next line of code here, I'm going to say href. We need to do this is the blog detail with s.html, and for the title, okay, and for the class is okay, and let's change the name here, blog detail. Okay, yeah, one last one, not remove this, then let's put for like this .html, and the title will be the same for page. Okay, this one for someone looking for something not found it, and this page will display. Okay, also for the class is okay, and change the name here, 404 page. Okay, this block of code is done. Go ahead here, I'm going to comment this everything for you 1 second. At this time, let's create our form. Okay, and let's create our form. I'm going to do the same thing, and this is pretty much our last block of code here. And okay, for part 1, let's create our form. We need the li, okay, like so, inside anchor tag. Okay, we need remember in this section of the mailbox, let's say mailbox. Okay, that HTML, everything has connected to the mailbox. Okay, and yeah, this is a false, and we need I. Okay, class called icon. Okay, my form. Okay, and we need after the closing let's create a span right here. Okay, here, and I'm going to pass the class inside of it for the mini sub pro, that not pro, that this mini sub none, like this. And let me make this, oops, let me make this okay, smaller. I don't know if you can see it, guys. Okay, and let me put the name here, forms. Okay, and inside, go next here, create and another list. Okay, and let's pass the class, call it submenu angle area expanded. Okay, should equal to false. and go to the next line. Create a list, make a tag, and at this time put tiny right here. See that it's HTML. Okay, let me show you what I put here. We put this is working with this line, and then for the we need the title. Put the title, call it, this is for the text editor right here. Okay, and put this pass a span. Okay, mini sub poor, that is fine, and put text editor like this. Let me make it smaller. Okay, and this is if you click here, bring this up. It's supposed to be like this right here. Oops, come on, close this one. Okay, let's move this here. No, this is okay, and okay, and bring this up. Okay, this is one block. Yeah, this is one block of code. Okay, also now let's create our for login. Okay, this is for the login, register, and password recovery. I'm going to say this is page login, register, and password recovery here. Okay, and go ahead, let's do the same thing. Or what we can do, I'm going to make it more simple by copy this block of code. Okay, copy this block of code right here and paste it. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to make some changes here. The first li, okay, let's pass. I'm going to pass id and call it removable. Okay, because you're working with login page. Okay, login button right here. href, put remove mail. Okay, expanded false, this is fine. We need the I class icon my form, remove everything here. I'm going to call this class something else, call it icon my new file and icon wrap. Okay, also for here class, okay, this is the class is fine. Remove the name, not forms, put pages. Okay, and this is one line of code. For another list class, sub menu and go area expanded false, this is fine. And this is another okay, with the li inside of it, as href remove this guy, call it login.html. and for the title is supposed to be login. Okay, and class mini sub pro, this is good, and here put login. Okay, and go to the next line here, create another li. Okay, anchor tag, and call this one register.html. Okay, and after that, after HTML, we need a title, and let's call the title register. Okay, and after register, okay, we need I'm going to pass a span right here, and we need a class. I'm going to call it mini support 5 and put register here. Go ahead, last one. We need the li, do the same thing. Call this one password recovery, okay, that HTML. We need the span right here, the simple like the previous one, okay, mini support and pass, call it password recovery here, and pretty much register login, register password, okay. And I guess we 5 1 2 okay. Let's bring this everything up, okay, and bring everybody's up. Okay, now this is okay, this we let me make it smaller, okay, like this. Go ahead and save, her, go back to our browser and refresh the page. As you can see, pretty much we have everything here, like this one. If you extend here, and mailbox, interface, okay, form, login, we have everything here. Now next thing, guys, next thing, I don't see, I'm supposed to see my picture display here, okay. I will check it out. Next thing, to make this work, let me show you, to make this work like this one, okay, to make this work like this one, what I want you to do, this is our next file. Go to this website again, okay. You click go blog code. When you click on this, okay, this is pretty much the same thing we're doing, and you scroll down. Now let's go to script, okay, script list. This is this one. You click on it. Once you click on it, you find it, okay, on your download list, and you extract it. After extracting it, and open, click on the folder, and this is where you will get this one. Now that is the second one, okay. Now copy and paste everything before the closing body, which means we have the body, okay, here, the closing body and the closing HTML. Now what I'm going to do, I want you to go ahead and highlight everything, okay, and right click, copy, and let's go back to our code, because we have the closing HTML, closing body. Go ahead, I can put this is a script, okay, and paste everything before, because we said before, and paste everything here, okay. Let's bring this up, okay. We have it before. Now here's all our script. Remove this. Now here's a script list, place them before the closing body, okay. This is all our script, because we already have everything here, all the folder here, okay. Now go ahead, go to file, go ahead, click on file, save all, and go back to our browser and refresh the page. Maybe something, okay, something is missing. Let's go back, because here, let's see if we got everything. Let me show you. Let's see if I got style. Okay, we have a style.css, Yes, we have here is not display. Let's go back to our code and find out. Okay, because we already got everything here. Let's go back, and also we don't have the admin picture here. Let me scroll up. Okay, inside of the main body, let me bring this up. This is create our sidebar and logo. This is for profile, line 83, this block of code here. Okay, this is why I display the logo. Yeah, it's supposed to be admin picture, I guess. Okay, admin picture here, and save everything. Let's refresh it. Okay, now we have the picture here for the admin, and let's go back and fix this. The sidebar. For the sidebar, I want to scroll down. Okay, because this is the scroll bar here. This is a scroll bar. We need to get the scroll bar of also for the arrows too. And let's go back. Go to the scroll bar, line 97 for me, line 97, and go ahead on nav this line, and after left sidebar pro, I want you to put menu because this is a menu. Okay, put menu. Okay, menu item or menu dash pro like this. You should get menu sidebar menu pro. Okay, also next line, and here URL this line 100 for me. Here we have Metis menu, and change capital M to smaller m like this. Okay, not capital M. Menu should be small m. Okay, and go ahead, save everything. Okay, let me show you what I did. I changed, this is a small m, and put menu here. Go ahead and refresh the page. As you can see, now it works fine. Okay, and expand it. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, now we need the arrow for forms, and if you click it, you will see text editor. Click here, we'll see it. We need arrow like this one. Let's go back to our code, and because we have forms, I'm looking for where we have forms. Okay, this text editor. Now this is forms, and we have forms here. Let's see here, anchor tag. We should get has arrow class. Okay, let's add the class here. Add the class called has arrow like this. Okay, and if you save everything, let's go back, refresh it. As you can see, now form has arrow. If you click it, it expands. Now we need one for pages. Let's go back, look for pages. This is form. Here we have pages, login, register, password recovery. Anchor tag here. We need a class as well. Put a class has arrow. Okay, and go ahead, go to file, save all, go back, refresh, and also we have it. Okay, as you can see, we have it. All right, guys, this is it. This is a part one. This is where I'm going to stop. This is part one. Okay, this is the first thing we create, the sidebar. Okay, icon for the admin name, and the sidebar. If you click it, that's what you get. Okay, overall this is it. Remember to go here to this website, and jdima.com. okay, go to jdima.com right here, jdima.com, and go blog code here. When you click here, and scroll down. This is where I put all of the file. You have to place a CSS folder, font folder, Jimdel folder, JS folder, but for link list and script list, these two you have to extract them and open them. Once you do that, let me show you. You will see a Word document like this. Open it and copy and paste everything and paste it inside of the head area. That's you will see this is links, and right click and go here. Let me show you. This is the head, okay, beginning, and you paste everything here. This is everything, okay. And the second thing, you go again, you download script list, this one. Once you download script list, open it, extract it, open it, you see a Word document, this one, this guy, copy and paste everything before the closing body and HTML. You do this and you right click, okay. Once you highlight everything, you right click, copy, and once you do that, go ahead, scroll down before the closing HTML and in the body, and you paste everything, okay. All right. Also, last one, you have style.css, which is a file. Go ahead, copy that one and paste it. This is right here, and paste it inside of your main folder. And then this is it. This is a part one. This is where I'm going to stop. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and share this channel with your friend, everybody. Okay. See you in the next one for part 2. Bye bye.